He took some time to fix his hair, he was a single man. The ladies tried to catch his eye, he was the man in town. He worked hard all day, sweet old pain, sweet old pain. Tonight be the night that's cast away. Worked hard all day, sweet old pain, sweet old pain. Hard all day, what you say, what you say. Work hard all day, sweet old pain, sweet old pain. Tonight be the night that's cast away. Work hard all day, work hard all day, sweet old pain, sweet old pain. Tonight be the night that's cast away. Work hard all day, work hard all day, sweet old pain, sweet old pain. Hard all day.
On 3rd February 1931, New Zealand's deadliest earthquake devastated the cities of Napier and Hastings, Hawke's Bay. At least 256 people died in the magnitude 7.8 earthquake, 161 in Napier and 93 in Hastings, and 2 in Wairoa. Many thousands more required medical treatment. When Napier was rebuilt, the streets were widened and the services improved, including the installation of New Zealand's first underground power system. The architectural fashion of this time was known as Art Deco, and central Napier is almost entirely built in this style. This Art Deco Weekend is a celebration of the Art Deco style and the period of time of this rebuilding. In this video you'll see a few clips from the Art Deco Weekend and a few of the different events that happened and some of the stuff that was happening in the street. Please enjoy.
It's a marvelous night for a moon dance with the stars up on the rise. Fantabulous night to make romance neath the cover of October skies, with all the leaves on the trees are falling, with the sound of the breeze that blow. In our mind, the place of the calling of your heartstrings, the place of the glow. Tonight, I can't wait till the morning has come, and I know that the time is just right, and straight into my arms it will run. And when I come out, we'll be waiting to make sure that you're never alone. There and then all my dreams will sway me more. Like a flower bending in the breeze. Bend with me, sway with ease. When we dance, you have a way with me. Stay with me, sway with me. The dances may be on the floor. Even my eyes will see only you. Only you have the magic technique. When we sway, I can hear the sound of violence long before it begins. Make me thrill as only you know how. Sway me smooth, sway. single day we set your heart. Won't you play a melody? Just like that. Just like that little bride. Oh, you want to you know this time is saying all for me. And I just because I wanna listen to the jazz. Oh yeah.
Make me realize only you know how to stay with me, sway with me.
So what you got?
Sister Margot and her dog's name's Ben.
This is Millie. She's a cross between a Rottweiler and a Great Dane.
That's why we love our dogs, isn't it? I think that dog enjoys the ride. We'll give you number 13. You guys look lovely. That's what you've got. You look familiar, wee bit.